Everyone's like, you moron, you should read the manual. I should read the manual, but there's no fun in that. Alrighty, so those of you that have seen the movie Seven are already asking, what's in the box? It's in the box, what's in the box? Those of you that have no idea what I'm talking about, CMP had, what is it? Not rack, I think, field grade M1 Garands in stock. So I sent in the paperwork for it, and then I sent it in on the 28th, I think, is when I sent in the paperwork, and the 29th they sold out. So I figured I wasn't going to get one. And lo and behold, a weekend later, I got an email saying, yeah, you got one. So I got one. And I'm going to open up the box. And it actually shipped out last week Thursday, but they didn't, it was weekday delivery, so it just sat in Tennessee over the weekend. That ships from Alabama, and finally got here today. They said 10:30, but it got here at, oh shoot, what time is it? 9 a.m. I won't be using scissors. I've got a Leatherman to open this, so I will not show you the end that I'm opening because that's got my personal info on it, and that's personal. Alrighty, so I suspect I'm going to have to open a crap load of more paperwork and everything, and oh! And just to make sure, there is nothing else in this box. The envelope, please. So, yeah, I know this is real fascinating. Bear with me here. I got an award that certifies that I got a M1 Garand on September 8th, 2017 by Mark Johnson. It's got my name on it. We'll talk about the serial number in a second. $830, free shipping. That is going to go over here. The shipping checklist. Shipping performance. Oh, this is rich right here. So, the shipping checklist for the M1 Garand rifle is photocopied. TS signed off on it at some point in time, but if you notice, nothing's checked under M1 Garand. So in this box should be an open bolt indicator, a manual, an end block clip, lock card, rifle certificate, and invoice. We got the rifle. Here, we're going to do this guy's job for him. We've got the rifle certificate. We got the invoice. Lock card. Lock card. I think it's a lock card. I don't know what that is. It's probably in here. Well, maybe not. Flip it around. Hopefully there's an M1 Garand in here, and hopefully it's a Winchester M1 Garand, but I'm not making any promises, because I don't know. Voila! Oh, wow, it is in here. Oh, wow, that's in rough shape. Yeah, that's to be expected. Oh! So... The lock is, it's in there. And as far as I can tell, the owner's safety manual and this thank you, to get a free, to get a free trigger lock, you gotta send in for it. No, thank you, and if I did need one, I've got a million of them already. So... manual, you've probably seen that. We're gonna, wow, that's old. WC, I don't know what that means. I don't need that. That can go over there, and that can go over there. I got the card, the end block clip, the manual, and the open bolt indicator. There, you're welcome. So, I finally got an M1 Garand. Wow, this thing looks like it's seen some usage. The thing that I'm noticing is one of the swivels either is chrome or it's been used so much it rotted right away. Muzzle reading 21, I guess. Throat reading 11, I guess. Rifle grade, field grade, 8717. Field grade. Field grade. If anybody knows what that means, feel free to post in the comments, because it beats me. I know there's a trick with using a 30-06 cartridge in the bore that tells you something. It beats me, like I said. Woo! Oh, that's cool. U.S. rifle caliber 30 M1 Winchester. You can smell the history on it. Yeah, that's just Cosmoline. So I want to know when this sucker was made. So we're going to look that up right now. So this was beginning of October of 1943 this gun was made. The beginning of October 1943. Cool! I'm baffled. This calls for some snap caps. That's awesome.